They rip too much on that.
Yeah.
We'll just go down this row, make sure it's. One thing I love about it is, like, you know, for 650 horsepower, look how quiet it is.
Yeah, you can just cruise around like it's nothing.
Exactly. Well, I mean, you heard it when I was getting on it. It's loud.
Oh yeah, you can hear it. It makes noise. Active exhaust.
That's one thing I do like. You know, when I'm cruising,
You can make it quiet.
So quiet. Like, in my Trans Am, like, just blew my brains out with loud exhaust. So
Yeah.
I definitely enjoy something now quieter. But, you know, whenever it comes racing out, I do want, you know, something rowdy.
Yep.
Straight away.
Yep, go ahead. This thing pulls. It pulls and it keeps pulling.
Traction came on and shut it down.
Oh yeah, I felt that. But after it started waking up, I felt it for sure. It pulls good.
Straight or where?
It runs good. It pulls. It definitely pulls.
Yeah, I got real sketchy.
It got a little sideways, didn't it?
Traction came on.
And these things have really wide back tires too, but it just spins them like they ain't even on there.
That's why I left the traction on when we were racing. When you get it to hook and like traction not to come on, shut it off, dude, it's two different cars.
Oh yeah. You ever gonna put a tire on the back of this?
Oh yeah, I got
I was about to say, you start modding this, it's gonna spin at like 80.
I gotta get a set of Forge Star 18x12s ordered, a little drag pack, and I'm gonna mount the Mickey Thompson ETSSs on it.
Yeah, this thing runs, especially being bone stock like it is.
I'm happy for what it is right now.
Oh yeah, it's
stock.
fast. For stock, it's definitely fast.
Stock for stock, it's gonna take something pretty nasty to
Oh yeah.
run up on it for bone stock. I mean, like,